You built your app, everything works perfectly fine in your laptop, but the moment you deploy it, everything breaks. Sounds familiar? From development to deployment, the biggest challenge is keeping everything consistent across different environments. Let me break down the 5 key problems that makes this process really frustrating. Bob builds an application, he tests it locally, and everything runs smoothly. But as soon as he deploys the application in another machine, it crashes because of missing dependencies, configuration mismatches, and conflicting versions. A new team member joins the team. They need to set up their development environment. After spending hours of installing the missing dependencies, troubleshooting the version conflicts, and tweaking the configurations, they still can't get it up and running. You deploy to staging, everything looks fine, but then it completely fails in production. Why? Different operating system versions, missing packages, and misconfigured environment leading to unexpected errors. Traditionally, the applications are hosted on the virtual machine. Each virtual machine requires a full-blown operating system consuming excess memory and CPU just to keep it running. This leads to wasted resources, slower performance, and unnecessary cost. One application needs JDK 1.8 and another application needs JDK 11. And both applications should coexist on the same machine. Installing one breaks the other, and your entire system turns into a compatibility nightmare. These problems slow down the development, waste time, and making deployments unpredictable. Have you struggled with any of these issues? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. In the next video, I will show you a game-changing way to fix all these effortlessly. Hit the subscribe so you don't miss it.